Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished doing a front and rear parking camera on this Audi A1 2014, all retrofitted on the original screen. We'll just show you the cameras, just there, nice tiny one, nice and discreet. Let's just jump in the vehicle and show it working. So all on the factory. Pop it in reverse, flicks over. We've also got the dynamic lines as to steer the wheels. When you put it in drive, flicks over to the front camera, gives you a clear image. It's probably auto switches after 20 seconds. Just so reverse and drive. All running off the factory screen. No changes to the interior or anything like that. If you're getting something like this done, get in contact with us. Thank you.